girls inches for the low. We're giving the girls affordable. We're giving the girls more synthetic wig. Period. She's cute, she's affordable, and she looks natural. Get into it. Get into it. One synthetic wig. What synthetic wig? With a freaking affordable hair video. It's been a freaking minute. Y'all know, if y'all watch my channel, that my affordable hair videos do really well. I'm talking about synthetic wig videos, some of my Amazon wig videos. So I'm back with another affordable hair video.
Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. Vixen and all his reindeers pulling on the reins.
What's up, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. If you are not new, welcome. If you are new, I wanted to do this quick little intro real quick while I'm all made up, did up, and whatnot. I'm coming to y'all with a 30-inch virgin hair dupe. If you know me, you know that this channel started based off of like affordable hair, and it still is. Like, and people really seem to like those on my channel, so I like doing them. I bought this wig from the beauty supply store, and this is by Organique. And if you know my channel, if you go back to older videos, y'all know I did a video on some of their hair before. But today we got a whole wig. This is a 5 center part ear to ear. They lied. Mine's was not ear to ear. But yeah. This is a light yaki straight texture, and I really like it. It's not like a bone straight, but it still looks silky, and it looks like natural in my opinion. Yes, and I got this in the color 1B, so y'all will see the packaging and all of that in the part of the video where I'm installing it and everything. But I just wanted to come in here and just give y'all a little quick intro. I had a few tangles here and there. It's synthetic hair, y'all. I actually like this wig. Like, this would be a nice little throw-on wig. Take some pictures in it. Wear it for a day if you're going somewhere. That type of wig. I would not wear this every day. And I believe I paid like $44 for this wig, if I can remember. But yeah, we about to just get into the video, y'all. I installed this super easy and simple and quick with some Got To Be glue spray. Gave me one little edge. I don't really like the lace. It's really not natural at all. I do really like the parting space a lot. And I sprayed it with my lace tint spray and popped it on. Like, without further ado, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And we about to just get straight into the video. All right, y'all, so we about to just get straight into it. This is the hair that I purchased from my local beauty supply store. It is by the Organique brand. I got it in the color 1B. It's 30 inches. It's a light yaki texture. And I'm just showing y'all the packaging and everything that came attached to the hair and all that good stuff, all the pamphlets and all of that. And it did come with a net and some paper. Just showing y'all how it came. And girl, she's long, okay? Look at her. She's real long. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram, because I did take some pictures with this hair, and it amazes me every time I wear some synthetic hair how people don't even be knowing. It looks literally like human hair. So I love that when you're taking pictures and all that good stuff. But yeah, this is the construction of the wig. Now, it mentioned that it was ear to ear, and it wasn't at all. As y'all seen, it's really just a middle part, and there's only a small amount of lace. But as far as the front goes, it really wasn't that natural at all. As y'all can see, I really wasn't feeling it, but we made it do what it do. So I'm just parting it, making the part look better. I actually did take this wig off and pluck it a little bit, and I'm just going on my lace tint spray to spray it so that it looks more like a scalp. And it was pretty thick, y'all, all the way to the end, so we love that. But yeah, I'm just cutting the lace off, and I did end up cleaning my hairline with that alcohol, and I laid it with some Got To Be glue freeze dry spray, because it's a synthetic wig, so we don't need to be using no glues or nothing like that. I didn't do no type of ball cap method, none of that. It's a synthetic wig, sis. I popped me on 2 wig caps because I did some braids at the top and they wasn't looking too flat. So yeah, I just did 2 caps and I laid this wig on. I didn't do nothing too crazy. It wasn't much I can do as far as plucking the front to make it look natural, because as y'all seen when I parted it, there wasn't enough, like, you know, there isn't a lot of lace going back, so I really couldn't do nothing about the front. We just had to leave it as is. Now let me know if y'all got any other synthetic wigs y'all would like me to try on this channel. I definitely wouldn't mind. I know people love watching affordable hair videos, so whatever y'all like watching, I'm here for it, and I'm definitely always open to suggestions. So yeah, I definitely want to try some wigs from Sam's Beauty, because I know that they have really natural looking synthetic wigs. So yeah, if y'all would be interested in that, let me know. But I tried to lace some little edges. I'm not calling them baby hairs. I tried to do some edges, whatever. I wasn't really too much feeling it, but it's whatever, y'all. This was real short, simple, and sweet. It's nothing like else that I really did crazy to this hair. I just let it be, and y'all can see, like, she's moving, she's not stiff. Period. Like, but yeah, y'all, if y'all enjoyed this video, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video.
Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. Vixen and Blitzen and all his reindeers pulling on